What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel where I'm going to get into some of the fattest and juiciest gains in this altcoin market space. Today we're going to look at the Bitcoin price a little bit. We're down 2.47 today. Not that big of a drop, but we're going to see us testing these levels around the 63 to the 60,000 levels for about a couple more days now. And then after that, I see us breaking out of this little descending wedge we're forming right here into going up to the 72K levels. Once we get to the 72,000 levels, I'm going to see a little bit of pullback up there, but we're going to be along the 11-year resistance levels, which a lot of people don't talk about. It is the resistance line going from this point to this. Once we get to the 72, we're going to be fighting that resistance. We already are fighting it right now, considering that we touched it and that we didn't crash to a bear market. But we are going to be fighting that, and that's going to be a really good time for gains. We're going to see a lot of market movement and a lot of alt gains. Alright. But I do see Bitcoin going up from here. I don't see us breaking below the 60,000 levels. I believe the support line that we're on is around the 61K levels or the 60.75K levels. That's where we're going to be testing a lot of our support out for the next couple days. All right. Get into Assemble, the coin of the day. I believe this coin has a lot of potential. We are on BitThumb, we are on Coinbase, we are on a bunch, 0x, we're on Uniswap. I'm looking to see a KuCoin. A KuCoin would be really good here because we'll see a lot of futures trading, a lot, and that's what we want. All right, get into this. We had a little bit of a 100x or 100% gain over the past week, and then we retraced it going around the 14 range, and then we took a little bit of a dip to retest and see if we could break again, but no, we didn't. And then now we are retesting the similar accumulation periods around here where a lot of people got in to ride the FOMO out, but we are in those periods right now. I don't see us breaking below these levels right here. So we are riding this support around the 16.6 levels, 16 cent 6 levels. I don't see us breaking these, but if we do break these, we will end up around here, the 15.5 levels. And then this is where a lot of the accumulation happened over the last period. And then if we break those, we're going to go down to these levels. I don't see that happening. I say there's like a 20% chance of that happening, and that's very low in this crypto market. All right, let's pull out the RSI. Yeah, so on the RSI, on the hourly, we are hitting a low here, right here, and then this would be a good time to get in my opinion, because we are at a low, so we're going to see a little bit of accumulation go up, just because of the fact that we are at a low with the RSI. Buying pressure is low, selling pressure is a little bit higher, and then once we see a little bit of a bounce here, we're going to go up to around the 20 levels, retest those, and then if we break those, I'd say we'd be sitting around like 23 levels, like right at this top of this candle wick right here, 23.5, and then we'll be sitting there for about a couple of days, and then I'd expect to see a move like this, how this did it here. We saw a little bit of a consolidation, and then we took off, like you see right there, a little bit of a consolidation, and then we took off. We're going to have to see a tough consolidation here, a little bit like we're starting here, but I don't know if this is the start of it, but we are consolidating on the hourly. But yeah, you want to consolidate, and then that's when we're going to take off. Yeah, but we are seeing a little bit of a high pressure and sell, but this is going to be good. So the market cap is only 114 million. We can easily see this go up to a 1.5 billion or a 2 billion. I'd like to see at least 10x. And then the fully diluted, we only have about like double what we have locked up, which is pretty good. We don't have more than triple or quad that, which is amazing. Coins you see that in have a lot more price fluctuation, but we are in good price fluctuation here. All right. Going into the coin itself, this coin basically is a point system where you can use the points that you get from the marketplaces such as sta1.com and Club Pass, where you buy stuff and then you get points, and then you convert those points into ASM. And then that ASM that you get from those points, you can use it to buy on this marketplace. You can buy stuff like kitchen appliances, home goods, TVs, cosmetics, beauty supplies. And I love this use case because this use case is great. Starting to have partners with a bunch of online marketplaces, and then we're going to see a bunch of money flow into this ecosystem, and then the coins are going to go back into the ecosystem when they are used to buy the marketplace goods, which we want to see people buying the marketplace goods, such as TVs like this, because that has locked in value. And then we're going to see that once stuff like Club Pass and all of this has stuff going on in. Alright, going to the roadmap, we have hit all of our goals here. Just launching the desktop as of now, and we're working on other stuff for the beta testing for language and stuff. But we don't have too much large events going on here. I would like to see a bigger one. I see that we could see a KuCoin listing, maybe, and then that would make the price go up, but not a lot of price action here. Yeah, these are the exchanges, a lot of good exchanges. If you're backed by Coinbase, you're usually a pretty good coin, and an Oracle partnership, something we love to see with these low caps. The ones with the Oracle seem to grow the greatest, and a Lionheart, what it didn't show at the end. Yeah, but this coin has a lot of potential in my opinion. I could see by the end of this bull run, we at least break its old all-time high of 64 cents, and then we go up to at least $1, $1.50. But yeah, this is going to outperform a lot of altcoins in this area. I say this is going to outperform Alchemy and Jasmine in the upcoming weeks here. And I can say we at least see a 200% rise in the next coming weeks in November. This is a very bullish month, and I'm very bullish on this coin itself. The market cap has been taking a little bit of a dip, and then the RSI is just building up here. We're going to see a big gain in the future. All right. Thank you for watching.